Happy Friday, my friends. This is Lindsay coming back at you with another work from home job lead. I'll keep this one as short, sweet, and to the point as I can. I just wanted to share because this is another company that is providing computer equipment for you. So this is perfect for those of you who don't have a computer of your own, don't have a home office setup. They will provide that for you. So if you want to work from home, all you have to do is have the internet. Now, unfortunately, this one is for my United States folks only, and it is a second shift. But if that sounds like something for you, the bank, U.S. Bank, is hiring a customer experience specialist. Now, it does say remote opportunities available in most areas. However, if you're in one of the following locations, they want to talk to you about working on site in one of their branches. And it does say they have their remote work expectations at the bottom of the job posting. They are looking for someone to answer incoming calls and assist customers with questions and concerns related to their U.S. bank accounts. Someone to process and respond to U.S. bank customer inquiries using multiple systems and providing information on account while on every call. Someone to properly diagnose the customer needs. Someone who can present options to customers about ways to make their banking easier and convenient, and making sure the customer comes first. Now, they are offering paid training. It says if hired, you must be able to fully attend 5 weeks of training. The training will run Monday through Friday, 10 a.m. to 6:30 p.m. Central Standard Time. And they're trying to mainly fill second shift schedules, late morning and afternoon start times. And all schedules will include one weekend shift, either a Saturday shift or a Sunday shift. Now, they do not require any college degree. They do want you to have a high school diploma or GED and at least a year and a half of customer service related experience. They are looking for someone who has effective problem solving skills, the ability to navigate multiple computer systems and be able to multitask, someone who has a positive attitude, someone who has good communication skills, who can have strong verbal and written communication skills, and someone who can work with a computer, specifically Microsoft Office applications, Word, Excel, Outlook, PowerPoint, those things. Now, as far as working from home, it does say that you need a dedicated work area that's quiet and free from interruption, and that they will provide computer equipment necessary to perform the job responsibilities. All you have to have is the internet. Now, as far as pay goes, their pay range starts at $18 an hour and goes all the way up to $21.10 an hour. Of course, that's going to be dependent on location and experience. If you've made it to the end of this video, I want to say thank you so much for watching and supporting me. I hope you have a great weekend, and I'll be back really soon with another work from home job lead just for you. 2 videos will be popping up on your screen. One I picked for you and the other YouTube picked for you that you might enjoy next. Please subscribe and hit the bell icon so you never miss another work from home or money making video from me. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.